10 minutes to launch. Let's create a program using the Rievent platform. It takes just a few minutes to create and launch an online continuing education activity using the Rievent platform production wizard. The process is simple. Log into your client account. Choose a template. And the production wizard walks you through the production process step by step. You don't need programmers, web designers, or a technical staff. Just answer a few simple questions. Paste in your copy, such as the front matter, and you're done. You'll love how simple it is and how much time and money you'll save. Templates are available in your account based on your subscription. Available templates range from basic request for credit templates to a complete registration, participation management, and request for credit system for multi-location and multi-date live events. There are templates for both enduring and live continuing education activities. Templates feature the option to include automated outcomes, peer response comparison, attendee communications opt-in, pre-activity and post-activity tests and surveys, clinical content integration, e-commerce, and more. Let's create a new program called Continuing Education Demo. The production process steps are displayed at the top from the left to right, starting with pre-production. During pre-production, you have the option to upload production-related documents for safekeeping with the activity. Here, you can also assign the program to your colleagues and stakeholders who have a Rievent platform client account. Later, you may additionally create new accounts and manage program access and permissions from the Accounts tab. To move to the next step in the production process, select Pre-Production Complete. Following pre-production, select a production template. The template selected determines what features are available in the new program. For this demonstration, I'll create an enduring material request for credit activity. Okay, now that we have our template, let's get down to business. On the left side of the production wizard is a series of vertical tabs. Each production wizard tab represents one step in the production process. We'll work our way down the tabs in an interview style. On the Program Information tab, we'll enter basic program information such as the name for the activity, the formal activity title, and the release and expiration dates. Balloon help icons are available to learn more about the fields. After entering the program information, select Next to move on to credit options. This is where we will configure the type and amount of credit offered by the activity. The credit types and options available for selection depend on the accreditation status of the client and may include credit options for physicians, nurses, pharmacists, and other professions. Here, I will choose AMA Physician CME credit. Once selected, enter the maximum and minimum credit value and the increment to display for selection by the attendee. For example, enter 2 hours maximum and 0 hours minimum with a 0.25 hour increment. This will allow a participant to choose between 0 and 2 hours of participation in quarter-hour increments. Let's move on. When entering activity front matter, a nice visual editor helps create the front matter. Often you will already have the front matter content in a document and can simply paste it here. Adjusting the formatting is easy with the editor. A preview button shows you how the content will appear. In this next important step, we'll choose what elements the program will contain. You have the flexibility to include the components you wish to include in the activity. This is where you choose if your program will include a pre-activity test or survey, peer comparison, post-activity surveys, or an opt-in survey. I think you're starting to get a feel for the production wizard, so to keep things moving, I'll choose to include just the basics. Selecting Next jumps to the next tab where input is required. Looking back, green checks indicate where input is complete. I'll show you how to create the post test on the Continuing Education Test tab. Here we can create or paste in questions, and you have the option to adjust test attributes, such as number of attempts and required passing score. I love the multiple choice parser because I can just copy and paste from a document, and the wizard will parse the questions into the interface. The user interface for creating questions is so easy to use. Now that our test is ready, I'll select Next to move on. Oh, and if you ever need to change anything, you can always go back later. Creating a survey is similar to creating a test. In this example, I will create the objectives evaluation. There are several question types available, including multiple choice, rating, and text entry. In this example, the accredited provider chose to standardize common questions across all their activities, so the activity evaluation is automatically included by the template. Not only does that save time, but it also allows for evaluation results aggregation and reporting across activities. Powerful! The last thing to do is to configure the outcome's duration and evaluation. For this demo, I'll choose to send an automated weekly email outcomes survey invitation starting 30 days from when an attendee completes the activity until 60 days after completion. The date range is configurable. This way, my attendee will receive 4 weekly invitations to complete the outcomes survey. We're done. That was fast. Now select the Finished button to generate the program. The activity is ready for review. The wizard helps facilitate the review process. We can quickly walk through the program we just created by selecting Launch Program. Let's take a quick look at our newly created activity. When the draft review process is complete, return to the wizard and select Draft Review Complete to move to the Publish step. To launch the program for attendee participation, select Publish and Lock Program. Locking the program prevents future changes. Attendees are ready to participate. In this video, you learned just how sophisticated and easy it is to create new activities using the Rievent platform. The production wizard walks you through the production process step by step. It takes just minutes to create an activity in the Rievent platform. The Rievent platform makes it easy. Please explore our website and contact us for a demo to learn more.